Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Bank of Jamaica reports that there is an increase in the remittance inflows to Jamaica. Net remittances, the difference between inflows and outflows, climbed to US $475.5 million during the period January to February this year. That is compared with US $461.4 million during the similar period last year. This was due to inflows of US $514.9 million and outflows of US $39 million during the period under review, compared with inflows of US $499 million and outflows of US $38.1 million during the first 2 months of last year. More travelers are coming from Florida than New York to Jamaica. Satara English Byfield, CEO of PAC Kingston Airport Limited, which manages Norman Manley International Airport, reports to RJR News that Fort Lauderdale is now the top destination for air passengers departing from Kingston, Jamaica, surpassing New York for the first time. January marked a high record in arrivals, with Fort Lauderdale traffic rising 25%, nearly doubling the 14% increase seen in New York. Other major destinations include Miami, Toronto, Atlanta, London, and several Caribbean and Latin American cities. For the trading period ending May 28, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited, with 11,684,991 units traded, representing 27.65% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sterling Investments Limited, with 5,512,979 units traded, representing 13.05% of market sales volume. International food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited, with 3,244,890 units traded, representing 7.68% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 28, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $53.47 million purchased and US $62.79 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.55 per dollar, selling the US at $160.04 and buying the US at $158.49. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.60 per transaction, with selling at $116.78 and buying at $114.18. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.43 in profits, with selling at $215.67 and buying at $211.24. For our credit report tip of the day, if you have a strong credit score, you already have what many real estate investors are working hard to build: access to funding. A credit score of 680 or higher can qualify you for lower interest rates, higher loan amounts, and investment-specific financing like portfolio loans and even short-term rehabilitation loans. This isn't theory, this is real leverage that turns renters into landlords and homeowners into real estate entrepreneurs. If your goal is to create monthly cash flow, build equity, and own appreciating assets, your credit score is one of the fastest tools to get you into the game. When you're building something from nothing and you're going from financial recovery to resiliency, you've done a lot already. You've built a career, raised a family, made tough choices, and kept moving forward, even when things felt overwhelming. Now, as a professional woman at age 45 or older, you're in a unique position. You're wiser, you're more focused, and ready to take fuller control of your time, money, and legacy. You're not just parenting, you're preparing the next generation. You're not just earning, you're investing with intention. This is your season to lead your family and your finances with clarity, confidence, and purpose. If you're ready to create a financial life that reflects your values and secures your family's future, here are some ideas. You could consider starting a family investment club to grow wealth together and teach ownership. Or consider modeling financial behaviors. Kids learn more from watching than listening. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.